Hello viewers, welcome to our new video. In this video we will learn how to repair uh, damaged or corrupted disk like this. Uh, this is a pen drive and it is 30 GB, almost 30 GB, but it is showing that it is 2.24 GB. We'll now repair it. So for repairing it, you will need to you will have to open your CMD. Now write there disk part. After that a new window will come and then type list disk. You will see all the disks you have. Now that's my hard disk drive and that's the pen drive. Okay, you'll have to select the disk, I mean the pen drive. Here it is, disk 1, disk 1. Now enter. Disk 1 is now selected disk. Now clean. Okay, disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. Now close it. And if you are Windows 10, go to this Windows icon and click on your right button of mouse and go to the disk management. And if you are in Windows 7, then go to this PC and properties, then disk management. After that you will see that 29.30 GB unallocated. Click on it and right click and new simple volume, and welcome to the new simple volume wizard. Now next, 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 next again, and then finish. Now you'll see that your disk is repaired. We are successful in our work. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.